Before the video starts, please do hit the subscribe buttons for both of my channels, as many people who watch my videos are not subscribed, so please do. Hello there, this is an unboxing video of my new camera, Sony Handycam HDR-CX450 to replace my Sony HV60-V that I've been using for a few years. I'll be doing unboxing and boot up of this camera. I'm going to show you the box. This is the camera, picture of the camera. On the side, feel free to pause and read. This got optical study shot, highlight movie maker. These are the optional accessories you can have with this camera. These are the list of features and icons of this camera. Some barcode information around the side. Got other information, continuous recording time and all this thingy. Now let's start unboxing. Inside here, got some information, some paperwork inside. Some paperwork inside on how to use the camera, as you can see. Let's get this out of the way. Inside there, this is the camera itself. And also you do have, this is the charging kit, this is the 3-pin power socket, and also the charging kit you get with it. What else is it? There's also, last but not least, is a battery. Now we're going to show you what was inside the box. All of this is the paperwork. There's some leaflets and there's an operating guide on how to use this camera over here. Battery for the camera, 3-pin power socket, 2 USB charging cables, and last but not least, I'm going to show you the camera now. Take it out of its sleeve. This is the camera itself. You can flip like this to take a selfie. You have ports for the headphones and microphone. I'm curious to try the microphone feature. Will it work? I see this has got a better audio quality when taking video. USB, and that's a slot for your micro SD card. On top, just to take photos, zooming in and out. 60 optical steady shot, 60 times zoom, camera, that's down below, that's to hook it onto a tripod, this is to grab on here, charging for your USB. I don't know what's this. I know this is for your record, that's for the battery slot. This is the boot up of my new camera. The reason I'm changing filming location to this office is because there's too much going on outside, so I can focus on the boot up. So now I've already got the camera fully charged up, so choose English as the language. I'm going to be doing a video about going in depth about the features of this camera, so stay tuned to that. And one thing I learned about this camera is that you don't use the USB cable to charge it up like the camera I'm using to film this unboxing video. You just have to use this cable here and then plug it into the other cable to charge it up. So it's a different process compared to my other camera. To summarize this video, the camera is going to be a challenge for me to learn how to operate this thing, because it's a different system compared to mine. It's got this selfie, you can twist this here so you can do a selfie. It has time-lapse capture and has the ability to connect a microphone to this, but there's no hot shoe for it. I'm curious to try this feature out. It's got a better audio quality, but I'm curious to try this feature, the microphone feature out, so to see what the audio quality is like. But the main downside is you only can take a micro SD card. You can't take a full-size SD card. Micro SD cards can easily get lost because they're very small. So this camera is going to replace the Sony HV60-V that I've been using for a few years, and I'm going to be using this camera for my future videos, so stay tuned for that. At the moment I've got a number of videos that I've got to upload that I've been filming on this format and my parents' smartphone. So this is the end of the video now. Like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you're interested, and don't forget to tell that I can stay alerted whenever I upload a new video in the future.